Although I've been trying to give you a lot of startup help with the documents I've put together, you're going to learn the most by doing and experimenting. And also there's a wonderful feature. I'm going up to World and I'm just arbitrarily coming and opening, let's look at region details. And I want to point out that with all of these menus, when they come up, there's a question mark. That's a help button. And if you click that question mark, you're going to find a lot more material about the different features. And I picked this one because I don't know if you remember, there's a person who's put this together and they have an advertisement, but there were a number of tabs. And this material here is the same as the tabs. So if I click one of those tabs, I'll find more information about what you can do with that tab. And this is the terrain tab. It tells you a lot more than is in the course and gives you ways that you can work and understand what are some of the other features. So that's definitely one way to learn. Be sure that you go in any menu that you're working on, click the help button on top, and you'll find a lot more information about that particular feature. In addition to experimenting and using the help feature, I queued up the Kitely information. And if you go to their main page, let me go back up here, and then scroll way down to the bottom, you'll find that there are a number of features that can help you get more information. Terms, there's some documentation they provided, but I want to point out the forums. And you sign up at one point to get access to the forum, but when you can come in, there are a lot of different categories, and you've got very active work going on. You can get into a forum. I often go into the education forum, and you'll find here private worlds are coming up, which is something I've been advocating for, and you'll find that you can meet up and talk to other people. Another way to get help if you really want to grow your skills is to go to some of the events. Now, when I first log into Firestorm, you'll see that one of the menus that comes up is the other locations there are, but another menu are events. This particular event, the Kitely Community Meeting, is something that you can go to. You get people from around the world coming into it. They simply type text in the chat area, and from that you'll get a lot of ideas and information from other people who are developers or who are users of the information. So be sure you take the time to explore and test, but also use some of the built-in tools or forums or meetings that can get you moving faster and interacting with other developers. Thank you.